interrupted with the Hardwarelib Library DLL blocking localized hardware interface logic workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To kick off the manual repair for Hardwarelib library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Hardwarelib library, a generic hardware abstraction library. It provides unmanaged routines for mapping physical hardware IDs to software-level device objects, frequently associated with specialized diagnostic or hardware tuning utilities to monitor localized sensor data and chipset properties. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The presence of Hardwarelib Library DLL is mandatory for localized hardware interface logic to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite with the error will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Hardwarelib library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A critical reminder: modifying Hardwarelib Library DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overriding essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Hardwarelib Library and PC Health. To support our technical team and receive updates on Hardwarelib Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.